Hey, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. I thought I'd film a quick video to introduce myself. As you can see, we use video to more effectively communicate with our clients. So unfortunately, your roof is struggling with iron. We've got a lot of rust stains here. So our cleaning process is chemical in nature. That we're not just relying on high pressure water to blast away all the green algae, lichen. But what we're doing is we're using the appropriate detergents to get rid of the green algae, and it won't come back for like at least 2 years. Green algae guarantee. The rust will be removed with specific rust removing chemicals, but we do have to do a lot of plant protection. You know, cover your plants. Between the two cleaners, we would want to make sure we get your plants covered. So that's kind of involved in getting all those tarped off. But when we do your siding wash, the rust is pretty extensive in some spots, but this is something that we can remove, and we've been successful in removing it. All of this will get cleaned off, probably multiple different applications. This side here, we're going to clean all of this from the ground. No brushing, no scaffolding, no high ladders. Our gentle detergent washing process is going to ensure that you don't have any green returning on your home within the next 2 years, because we're actually killing it at the root source. So when we apply the detergent, we let it dwell, and all of that will be eradicated effectively with no damaging high pressure. Oftentimes window panes can get damaged if people try to set up ladders and blast away at it with high water. So this is all we do, is exterior home maintenance. Speaking of maintenance, I am noticing a lot of algae feasting on your shingles. And so that airborne contaminant, it's actually called Glioxapsomagma, is shortening the lifespan of your roof. And so I would encourage you to do a roof cleaning at minimum. Your roof is really going to pop. I can show you a couple of photos of before and after photos that we've done. You'll really be happy with it, because not only will your house be restored without having to replace your roof, it's much more affordable to clean it. And then after cleaning your roof, we can perform a conditioning treatment. Each roof cleaning service that we do for all homeowners includes a free roof tune-up. Any nail pops we see, any loose shingles, exposed nails, plumbing boots that have dry rotted rubber gaskets, we're going to seal those up with a new plumbing boot. And any flashings are on your chimneys, or minor gutter repairs, all of that is included in a roof repair. So if we're up there walking around and we were the last people up there, we want to make sure that we left your roof in a better condition than we found it. The soft wash process on your roof essentially is a detergent-based cleaner, and before we leave, all these black streaks will be gone. But what you can expect is possibly your roof to look worse. It might look worse before it gets better. You see all these lichens and moss starting to grow. So when that gets treated, it's going to turn white or yellow. And that means that it's killed and it's no longer going to grow. But it's going to take some time for that to get washed away with the next few hard rains, or maybe if it never rains again, sometimes that happens, we would wait for it to dry up and the winds would blow it away. But it's really the most effective and safest way to get your home restored, because once again, you don't want to go up there with a pressure washer and blast away at your shingles. You'd lose a lot of the topical granular or coating that protects the asphalt, and once you expose that asphalt and the shingle, then the UV rays, start baking your shingle and accelerating that drying out process again. So we also include a roof cleaning. We also encourage a roof conditioning service. I mean, after a cleaning, so that your roof is made out of biochemical oils, petrochemical oils, and over time the sun bakes that out of your shingle. And so check out this quick informational video that explains how you can preserve and extend the life of your roof with a quick treatment, and you'll get a good value for not having to replace your roof, get hail impact resistance. This is pretty much all we do, is exterior home maintenance, roof, siding, decks, windows. After we're done with washing your windows, we can easily do a window wash and get all your windows spot free. So RoofMax is the dealership that we manage here out of the Rockford area, and I look forward to helping you with your home maintenance. If you did want, some of this rust removed, it is at a point where it's pretty extensive. Vegetation doesn't necessarily care for the cleaner we use to remove that, and like you said, it's eventually going to come back over time, but we'll get it restored. Thank you so much. Take care.
Yeah, we built this house. It was built in 2001. The shingles were actually, I think, 40-year dimensional shingles, but I would have never left them on anywhere near 40 years because they were just getting so unsightly. It lost any sheen it had. It was very dull. And RoofMax, when they treated the roof, that all went away, and the shingles looked like they did, to my memory, the day they went on there. They did retreat the roof. We're 6 years past the first treatment and 1 year past the second one, and this roof's now 21 years old, has seen some horrendous storms unfortunately come through here, and yet my roof still looks like it got put on a few weeks ago versus 21 years ago. The new type of shingles, they don't put the same quality of materials they used to in them, and they begin to dry out. And as I understand, this is some oil-based product that revitalizes the ingredients of the shingle itself. Roof replacement's messy. You get debris in the yard, sometimes things fall off the roof and damage plant, decks underneath, and accidents like that happen. This was none of that. This was one or two guys up on the roof for part of a day. No mess, other than the fact the roof looked a lot better. You wouldn't even know anybody was here. The reason that I decided to rejuvenate it versus replace is, frankly, it was a fraction of the cost and much more efficient to get it done this way. Anybody that asked me, I would tell them I think it's worth it. We're 6, 7 years farther into the life of this roof than I would have allowed it to go, and it looks to be like it's got a lot of life left in it. I'm very pleased that I'm hopefully not going to be replacing the roof anytime soon.